Welcome to the course on Master of Technical Analysis by Stock Market Files. Today we are going to discuss Harami candlestick pattern. The meaning of the word Harami in Japanese means a pregnant woman. So this Harami candlestick pattern can be either bullish or bearish. First we'll discuss bullish Harami candlestick pattern. So this Harami candlestick pattern is a bullish two candle reversal pattern. It's a two candle pattern. You can see there are two candles. This is a pattern. There are two candles here. So we are discussing a bullish Harami candlestick pattern. The first candle is the red candle. This candle is the long red candle, which is the trend continuation candle. This pattern appears at the bottom or after the downtrend is over. This pattern appears at the bottom of the downtrend, and first candle of this pattern is a continuation candle of the ongoing downtrend. So the second candle is a small green candle which is contained, the body of the second candle is contained completely inside the body of the first red candle. Body of the second green candle is completely contained inside the body of the first red candle. If such pattern is formed, it is called as Harami candlestick pattern. And when we see such pattern at the bottom or at the after the downtrend is over, we can think that the downtrend will be over and the uptrend, potential uptrend, may start from here onwards. So we can think of going long here. So this pattern is said to be confirmed when the price start trading above the body of this second green candle. Here, if the price start trading here, we can say that the pattern is confirmed and we may go long here. So this pattern is extremely bullish pattern. And this pattern will be very much effective if it is seen at the support zone or at the demand zone. Now let us discuss bearish Harami candlestick pattern. This is again a Harami candlestick pattern, but this candlestick pattern appears at the top or after the uptrend is over. Again, it's a pattern in which it's a two candlestick pattern. The first candle is the continuation of the ongoing uptrend. You see, this is the first bullish candle. It's a first long bullish candle, and it's continuation of this uptrend. The second candle is a small red candle. Second candle is a small red candle, and the body of the second candle is contained completely inside the body of this first green candle. So the pattern is the second candle is a small red candle which is contained, the body of the second candle is contained completely inside the body of the first candle. If such candlesticks formation is seen, that is called as Harami candlestick formation. Now the second this pattern is normally seen at the top of the uptrend or when the uptrend is over. So when we see this pattern at the top, we may think that there may be a start of potential downtrend from here. The pattern will be confirmed when the price start trading below the body of this red candle. So here we may think of taking a short selling position. This pattern is extremely bearish pattern, and this pattern is very effective when we see this pattern at the resistance level or at the supply zone.